Hey, what's going on, guys? NachoDudes5 here, and today, as you can see, I am playing Sushi Cat. So let's get into the game. Okay. There's this cat, goes up to there, meets this pink cat, and goes on the mat, but can't go in the elevator. And then you see a guy who got on the mat, and now he thinks he has to get fat or something. I don't know. Okay, let's play. Okay, tap, drag, and release. Eat 30 pieces of sushi to achieve a full belly. Okay. Let's start right here. Eat this sushi. Heavy cat. Okay. So what did I do? Oh, so I have 21 sushi left. Let's go with this one. Yum 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 yum. Oh, and guys, go check out Dancer31's channel. She is now uploading on Mondays instead of Saturdays. So she's so close to getting 30 subscribers. So go show some love to her channel. And hopefully we can get her to 30 subscribers. And if more, that would be great. And I know we can do it. By the way, I'm going to start doing shout outs. So I'm going to do a shout out to, let's see here. Why not Christian Orchard? He's a good friend of mine. And now let's get back into this game. Get out of here, Google ad. We all know you, so you don't have to make ads of yourselves. Okay, 30 sushi. Nom, nom, yum, 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 yum. Get that fat thing. Nekimi Neko, double score. Good to know. Let's bring it over there. And bow. Let's try over here. Come on. No! Don't go that way. Oh, okay, just go ahead and go that way. I don't really care. Go, go, go! Yes! Final cat. And I need 3 sushi. There we go. 3 sushi achieved. There. Sushi frenzy. Ba-ba-ba-bow. I actually recently tried sushi for the first time. I do not like sashimi, which is raw. Oh, it's not that good. But I do like sushi. Like California rolls, those are good. Let's go there. There, there. Yay. Good day. Num, 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 ow, burp. Yay. Fat cat. Yes, you are. You are a fat cat. So get out of my restaurant. Now. Go, 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 Vincent Van Gogh. Am I going to get copyright from saying that? I don't think so. Okay. Got 2 left cats. Throw this one. Yes, worked. It worked. 10 times multiplier. Markiplier. There. Full belly achieved. Mission accomplished. I guess. Duh. Sushi frenzy. Bow, 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 bow. Pow. How many levels are there? Okay, let's go there. Nom, nom, yummy. Go da da. Go eat some sushi, fat cat. Duh. Fat cat. You are a fat cat. Yum. Yum. Ooh. No! It was not a good load. 17 sushi left to go. Go, 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 go. Yes, 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 yes. No, wait, wait, wait. Get. Yeah, yes! Okay, 6 more. Let's go right here. Throw it. Huh. Yum. Yummy. Yeah! For the belly of TV. Okay. Last. Go. Over here. Joy. Go there. Sukabara. To Sikibika. Okay. There we go. Sushi frenzy. Full belly score. Next. What's this? Oh, they move. Sweet. Nam negeto kata kata teka. Frokata kirage. Prokata kaseka pekato. No kata kira. No! 16 sushi left. The cat on the left is just like, why? Let's go throw it. That did not work. Okay. Let's try to throw this one. No! Go! Yes! 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 2 sushi left! No! Walmart, go away. Okay. Huh. Gota keja. Froga. Duh! No! You stupid cat, you go in the 200. Huh. No! Okay. 3, 2, 1. Am I seriously only going to get 1 sushi? Oh, great. I need to get 18 with 2 more cats. Oh, no. 13 with this last cat. Let's go this way. Yes, yes, yes. No! Let's try this again. Start here. Okay. Go that. Yay. That worked. No! Why did you have to bounce out? Okay. It's not where I initially wanted it to go, but I guess that's fine. Okay. There. Okay. Come on, 5. Where's 5? Go. No! Dang it! Oh, gosh, dang it. I'm gonna be stuck on this level forever. This sucks. Come on. Yes? Hey! Yeah. Okay. That was 11. Let's try to get 19 more. Yeah. Wasn't as good, but 7's okay. There. Let's try that. Okay, yay, yay. Yes, yes. 7 again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Finally! First try. Yay, I got it first try. Best day ever. Okay. Sushi frenzy. Boop. Oh, okay. He goes back, and the girl is gone. Ow. Does that bus only 3 ends? That's cheap. It's pretty cheap. I think maybe like 300 yens, not just 3 yens. But they do whatever they want. They're the developers. I'm not. One yen would be less than a penny or a pence, wherever you live. Or especially less than a peso, euro, all that. I don't know every single currency, so don't flame me. There. Yay! What's the tsunami tornado? Yeah. Here, how about this? If we get Dancer31 to 35 subscribers, I will, since it is snowing outside, by Sunday afternoon, if I see that Dancer31's at 30 subscribers, I will make a video of me running barefoot with regular clothes outside, all in the snow, and fall down. All for you guys, if you guys can do it. Okay? So get her to 30 subscribers. If you want to see me do that. I regret saying that, but hey, it's for my subscribers and Dancer31's or Nicole's. Yes, tsunami roll. Okay. Let's go here. And now you get pushed up into that. Yeah. Duh. Sakabeka. Full belly achieved. Come on. No! It was a total waste. No sushi. Meow. Yes, yes, oh! Anyways, I got it. That's still an achievement. Continue. Tsunami roll. There. Ooh, that was 14 that time. Wow. Let's try that. Come on. Yes. Let's try here. There. Push, push, push. Dang it. Final cat, and I need 3. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Yes, no, no, yes, yes. Yes, no. That was scary. But I got it. Barely. Continue. There. 8. There. There. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yes. Okay. 12 more with 2. Need to get that tsunami roll. Great. Oh, so close. Come on. I can still do it. Yes. Go. Come on, cat. Don't give up. No, don't go. 1 sushi left. Oh, gosh. Oh, that was torture. Oh, I'm so sad. Gosh dang it. Come on. Yes, yes. Get some more. Get some more. And okay. 10. How much was that? No, don't push it into the 50. Oh gosh, what is happening? Oh no. Am I just gonna get it? Yay! 10. 3 sushi left. 2 more cats. Okay. Yay! 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 Duh! Duh! Ow! Oh! 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 This is Annie! Oh! 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 This hurts! Oh! Calm down, cat. At least my parents aren't home. Yay! Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Stay crispy. Bye.